Hi, my name is Finley, and I've decided to do my video on professional liability insurance. This is also known as malpractice insurance, and you'll see a lot of doctors. They have this insurance because they work in a lot of situations where it's life and death or somebody's physical mobility, and when accidents happen, which sometimes they do, or things aren't able to work out for the patient, they may be inclined to sue them, but this professional liability insurance protects those doctors from those types of things, or lawyers, or whoever. It's usually in like personal, professional people that need this type of insurance. They can pay as much as $60,000 a year for this insurance, particularly ones that need a lot of coverage, like doctors or surgeons or whatever. But you can pay as little as $500. It just depends on what you want your coverage to be. This would be important to have if you're, like I said, working with people or in a situation where there may be things that happen that you can't actually help, but people don't understand that you can't control certain things. And so this is just to protect you and your building or your practice or whatever you have, and your property and your family, especially your family, because if you don't have this type of insurance, they can take you to court and take away everything that you have if they win, and it can be very dangerous for, especially if you have children and a spouse and all these things. And so this is really important to have, and it's worth paying as much as you need to for your profession, to protect your family from lawsuits that can happen, because some people get upset. But anyways, this is really important to have if you're considering being a doctor or a lawyer or a psychiatrist or anything to do with anybody's physical health or their money or anything, just to protect yourself, because some things happen that you can't control.